Kashmir Nuthatch, Sitta cashmirensis. Meet the Kashmir Nuthatch, Sitta cashmirensis, a colorful and energetic tree climber found across the western Himalayas. This medium-sized nuthatch measures about 14 centimeters and weighs 17 to 21 grams, with the classic nuthatch shape and acrobatic movements along tree trunks. The male shows blue-grey upper parts and a bold black eye stripe running from the bill across the face. The underparts are rich and warm, shifting from cinnamon on the throat and breast to deep rufous on the flanks and belly, giving this species a striking two-tone look. Females look similar but are slightly paler, with more buff tones on the face and breast. Juveniles resemble adults but may show faint mottling and subtle barring on the head. The Kashmir nuthatch occurs from northeastern Afghanistan, through northern Pakistan and Kashmir and into northwestern Nepal. It inhabits coniferous, mixed, and deciduous forests, often where broadleaf trees are present. Most breeding occurs between 2,000 and 3,000 meters, with birds descending to lower valleys in winter. Their diet includes insects, spiders, seeds, and nuts. They forage low on trunks, fallen logs, mossy rocks, and even on the ground, often joining mixed species flocks outside the breeding season. Breeding takes place from late April to June. Nests are built in tree holes and often sealed with mud plaster, leaving a narrow entrance. The female lays 5 to 7 eggs, and both parents feed the chicks. Despite its limited range, the Kashmir nuthatch is classified as least concern and remains a vibrant resident of Himalayan forests. Have you ever seen a Kashmir nuthatch or another nuthatch species? Share your sightings in the comments below. Subscribe, like and share to discover more hidden wonders of the wild. Thank you for watching.